Future slightly lower to start this morning as we head into a brand new month. First day of August wrapping up. Yeah, a very strong month of July. Number of things moving around this morning. We'll have a look at Meta coming off its 9th straight positive month, if you can believe that, for shares of META. Mark Zuckerberg pointing at more AI-powered chatbots to come for all of their platforms. Downside a little bit so far this morning. Uber looks good, out with earnings, pre-market, beating estimates. We'll also talk about PLTR, yet another government contract coming through for PLTR, back to the upside. We got Chinese EV deliveries. We got NCLH earnings. Yellow back on watch after a crazy day on Monday for the little one. Looking like it might wrap up operations, and Tupperware brands as well. Already very active here in the pre-market, extending gains from Monday's session.